You learn something new in AWS every day. Just today, I was playing around with just-in-time EC2 Connect by using VS Code or CLI, and I saw how easy it is that instead of you use PuTTY to connect to your Linux instances through SSH, you can use AWS EC2 Instance Connect to use same SSH from within your VS Code. So no need to install PuTTY and no need to configure your keys. All you need to have is your public key, and that's it. And there could be so many use cases. For example, you can create your bastion host and then configure the keys there and then just use it. Now let me quickly show you what exactly I mean. So I already have T2 micro EC2 instance running. All I'm going to do is to connect it by using EC2 connect. So first let me share the command to do it, and I'm already in the directory where I have my public key. So first command you need to use is from AWS CLI is to AWS EC2 instance connect. Then use your SSH public key to be sent with it, which gets stored in the instance metadata. You need to specify your instance ID and then which instance OS user you want to use, and then the path to your public key. Once you enter it with this command, what is happening is it is connecting to AWS and pushing your public key into the instance metadata for 60 seconds. Once that's done, all you need to do is to by using the IP address of your instance, you can and of course your private key, which is in the PEM format, you can SSH to that instance. That's it. As you can see, I'm connected to that Linux instance in my private subnet, and so you can connect to your public subnet or private subnet, but you need to have connectivity to your private subnet. So you can appreciate this avoids you have to configure your PuTTY. You can simply use it from your own CLI. In order to make your other team member use it, what you can do is to create a jump or bastion host, configure this there, and then from that host, they can simply SSH to your other instances. I hope that you found it useful. If you have any comment or feedback regarding this just-in-time SSH, please put it in the comment section. Thank you very much.